Hello everyone, welcome to Joseph IT. Today I'm going to show you how to install any custom mouse cursor on your Windows 10 PC or any Windows easily. So as you can see, I'm on a cursor download source and I'm just going to download this kind of mouse cursor, and there are so many cursors also. If you want me to make a video on these two, I will make it surely, no problem. I'm going to download it, and the free one. Okay, it is downloaded. Now simply download the mouse cursor, and then if it is in zip form, then extract it and then go to the folder, and this one, Night Diamond. Okay, now you can see all the variations that the mouse cursor has. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to find the installer, okay, .inf file. Okay, so what you have to do, so come here, right click and go to install, and this is the most important part of mouse cursor installation. Okay, it is now installed, but you cannot see this mouse cursor being like that. Okay, so what I have to do next, I'm just going to start and mouse cursor or mouse settings, and then go to additional mouse options, and then pointers, and from the scheme simply click on the drop down and choose the name that you have installed. Okay, Night Diamond Zircon Cyan. Okay, this one, and yep, as you can see, click on apply, yes, and okay, and as you can see that my cursor is now changed. With the install version, I am now can easily and smoothly use this cursor of my favorite one. Okay, and whatever you want, you can download from the source you want to get the mouse cursors from, and can simply install it by the way shown. Okay, and this is how you can simply install your mouse cursors on your Windows 10 PC easily. And if you want me to make a video on new mouse cursors, then simply let me know on the comment box, and I will try my level best to show some best cursors in the world. Okay, and please hit the like button, share your experience, your suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.